No bank can actually operate a commercial business without a card offering. It is a piece of plastic which the bank should be proud to put in the wallet of the customer. The card is important because it carries the bank logo and it identifies the customer with the institution that he uses as banking. He should be proud to use it, he should be proud to display it when he has to make a payment, and it is a relationship instrument that the bank should be very proud to push to its customers. Actually, most part of Africa, card is in infancy. Most banks today are starting in the card business. They are now developing ATM networks and they are now putting plastic cards in circulation for their customers to access their cash anytime. MasterCard, Visa and other brands are coming into Africa aggressively. These banks are actually moving their card portfolio to these brands, and they need to have more sophisticated system behind. And unfortunately, the expertise in card is not readily available around in Africa. Actually, the mobile technology is something that Africa has taken on very quickly. You find more mobile phones in Africa than in any part of the world because they've gone directly to actually mobile phone and moving also very fast to the internet technology. And all this goes on using a card for making payment. And through the telephony system, they will come up with actually cardless transaction, which is also based on the technology of card, where they will be able to make payments from phone to phone, like it is happening today in Kenya through the M-Pesa system. Well, we are running a very sophisticated platform, which is actually up to date in terms of technology. And we've been very successful in implementing in 12 countries in Africa our technology. We are driving POS and ATMs up to west coast of Africa, and we've been very successful at this. There's still scope for us to grow and be helpful to the other member banks that want to use our services. So it's a very difficult for a bank which is not involved in the technology side to run that kind of platform. We specialize in doing that for the card industry, and we have a platform which actually meets all the requirements of Visa, Amex, UPI, and we can also issue private label cards. We connect to the local switches, and we are actually at the art of technology. We have also the ability to run the platform in different languages. We can service French territories as well as English territories. We have a 24/7 service, and we are open for any bank, which is actually not a competing issue, because we provide the technology. It's all about how the card is going to be used and market in the country. Actually, even in the local market, we do service several banks.